welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this unicorn makeup look with lots of shine and sheen and duochrome, and I'm going to be using a couple of palettes and some things that I really have enjoyed using, and also a few things that are brand new. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So I've already washed and moisturized my face. I primed my face using the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. So today for foundation, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation in F4. This is one of their newer releases, and I really like the finish of this foundation. Unfortunately, it does slide around a bit, so I find that you do have to set this foundation if you're going to get it to stay, but again, I really like the finish of this foundation. I probably wouldn't wear it for an all-day affair, but it does look really nice. And I'm just going to blend that out with my Sigma F80. This foundation has a nice glowy, dewy finish to it, and I find that that glow doesn't really go away after you set it, so I just really like the look of this foundation. For concealer, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I've actually really been liking this one as well. I find that it is similar to this Tarte Shape Tape, only I think this retails for $7. But it's very creamy, good coverage, very blendable. It's a very good alternative, I think. Actually, I'm going to blend that just a little bit closer. I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics 115. It's just a nice pointed concealer brush, and just blend that in. For contour, I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This was a part of the 6-piece set that you can get. I think Ulta and Sephora both have it, but it's $24 and you get 6 different bronzers. I like the nice warm glow this gives. For highlight, I'm using the Physicions Formula Butter Highlighter in Iridescence. I really like this one. It's just a nice pretty glow. And I want to warm that up just a little bit. I'm going to use just a little bit of the Physicions Formula Butter Blush in Rosy Pink. I'm going to set my makeup with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Lace, one of my favorite setting powders. And I'm going to take the Luxury Baking Powder in Ghost, just on the end of my finger. Just tap a little bit of that right in under my eye. And just blend that in. Just gives it a little extra brightness. Helps conceal those dark circles. I'm going to set my makeup using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray I also really like this one. Again, I have a little tiny sample, but I'm probably going to be buying the full size because I do really like this product. And I really like this stuff. It just gives your makeup a nice healthy glow. It also helps it stay in place, which is also quite important. I'm going to do my eyebrows with my normal Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Dip Pomade in medium brown. And I'm going to be doing that with a BH Cosmetics V10 eyebrow brush. I'm going to prime my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base in Pearl White. And I've found that this one just tends to do better with your finger, which I tend to like to do my primer with my finger anyway. And today for eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette, Peace, Love, and Unicorns. I really like this palette. Now this is not a first impressions, it's just the first time I'm putting this on camera, but I really like this palette. It has a lot of great colors. Let's open it up so you can see it. This is the palette itself. Very pretty packaging. They spent a lot of effort on it. This retails for $42, I believe. And these are the colors. Now, pretty much all of these are a duochrome, which is kind of the nifty thing about this palette. So I do find that this is both a good palette by itself. I also like to use this palette in conjunction with the Jaclyn Hill palette. This has a lot of nice neutrals in it that are very complementary to this. But today I'm going to be using this one just by itself. I'm going to start with Desert Vibes. I'm going to put that one right into my crease. I'm going to take a Sigma All Over Blend E37, and I'm going to go into the color Sunset Dream. I'm going to blend that just above this. I'm going to take the next shade, Euphoric. I'm going to blend that right above. And finally, I'm going to grab Beaming and put it right under my brow bone. Just really love the color shift in all of this palette. So I'm going to change it up just a little bit, and I'm going to do a cut crease with this. So I'm just going to use the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in Porcelain. Looks like this. And I'm going to take that on a rounded concealer brush. This is a U Spicy number 10. And we get just a little bit of that. So don't want to gob this up. And I'm just gently going to go in and cut this crease. And in order to set that, just to make sure it's not going to go anywhere, I'm going to set that with a translucent powder. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me 100 in Translucent. I'm going to do that with ABH Cosmetics V17. Now that's left us a nice clean base. I'm going to go ahead and shape up my outer third and that outer V. I'm going to start towards the center and work my way out because I don't want this to get too big. And I'm going to go in with Artist Pass. Dusk Teal Dawn. And I'm going to do that on the inner third, leaving my corner empty. I'm going to highlight that. Then on a flat shader brush, this is the Lamora Small Shader. I'm going to grab the color Mystic Rain, which is probably my favorite color in this whole palette. Truth be told, this is the color for which I bought this palette. Look at the duochrome to that shade. There's just so much color shift. I just absolutely love it. There's purple, there's blue, there's teal, there's a little bit even of some yellow and green in there. It's just a crazy shade. There's so much going on with it and I just love it. I'm going to take the shade Fantasy, the dark purple, Spicy 13 angled brush. And I'm just going to put that into my lower lash line. And I will take my BH Cosmetics V16 into Artist Pass. I'm just going to smudge that a little towards the outer side. That same brush and go into Mystic Rain. Smudge that more towards the middle. And I'm going to finish off this look with a touch of Unicorn Tears, which is the highlight shade, and it is a fabulous shade. I'm going to do that on my inner corners and just under my brow bone. So that's all the eyeshadow. Now for the finishing touches. I'm going to take my NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in Crystal Hip, just this white glitter, and I'm going to use that to just outline and cut that crease a little bit better, just to better define that. Now I'm going to do my winged liner, and I'm going to follow that line that I already created here, and I'm going to use my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black, and I'm going to start just by defining this line. Do my lashes with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I've been loving this mascara, but you've heard me say that before. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics D302 lashes right now. So I'm going to do my lips, and I've been dying to try this shade. It is the Makeup Revolution Salvation Velvet Lip Lacquer, and I have this in the shade Depravity, this nice purple color, and I'm pretty excited about this one. I've been dying to try it, but I've been saving this one. So let's give this one a shot. I have not tried any of these yet, so. This is the NYX Duo Chromatic lip gloss in Crushing It. I picked this color out because it's just white, so it goes over other shades very well. And I usually do this one with my finger because I don't want to get this purple into my tube. So I usually just kind of grab a little bit and dot it. There, I think that's a little more unicorn. And I'm convinced that no unicorn makeup is complete without a little bit of crazy highlights, so I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm just going to add some more color to this, because this isn't enough color, surely. So that looks like this. Mine is brand new. I'm pretty excited to give this one a try. But I'm going to take a little bit of Spectra, which is the purple shade, Orion, which is the blue shade, and Helia, and I'm going to just layer those on my upper cheekbone. And I'm going to still do those with my Morphe M510. So I want to start with Helia, which is the greenish shade. I'll put that just right under here. Then I'm going to move to Orion, put that just below. Finally to Spectra, the purple shade, and do the same. And I need to do my nose. I'm going to do the bridge of my nose and my chin just a little bit, but I'm going to go back to my Physicions Formula Butter Highlight for those. So this is the unicorn makeup look that I came up with using the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette, one of my new favorites. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like. Please subscribe to my channel and please hit that notification bell so you can keep up on all of my updates when I post videos. I try to post them every Friday. I'm going to try to be a little more diligent about that now that the semester is over and I should be able to have a little bit more time to film. But thank you again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in my next one.